What is up, everybody? I'm Daniel and welcome back to another video. This one's going to be a little bit different than my other stuff. Today we're taking a look at a refurbished 24-inch iMac. Now, I specifically bought a refurbished because one, there isn't enough videos on YouTube covering a refurbished iMac. I don't know why. This thing is a steal. Look at this woven nice band on the box, okay? It's amazing. Just kidding. But what you're getting a very plain box. This isn't going to be a fancy unboxing like all the other, colorful iMacs that you can get. The stuff inside will be color matching, fortunately, but this is a $1,500 computer that I got for less than the base price of the brand new iMac. Like, this is the mid-tier iMac. There's 3 tiers. And this refurbished mid-tier costs less than the brand new base model. So really, if you're looking into getting a new iMac or new Apple device in general, I really suggest looking into the refurbished section. It blows my mind that this, isn't, I think, more looked at by a lot of people. Now, the unboxing experience, like I said, is just the same. You're going to get this nice origami fancy thing. If you've watched other unboxing videos of the iMac, you're going to know exactly what you're getting into, and everything is here. It opens up to you. It allows you to just lift the iMac out of the box. It's very light. I was really impressed with how light this iMac was. I mean, I've never owned an iMac. I'm coming from a 2015 12-inch MacBook, so really blew my mind that an all-in-one of this caliber could be so light and thin. But getting into the box here, we have, and like I said, everything will be color matching. This is the power cable. Very boring. It goes into the power supply and into the wall, but it is nicely packaged. Like, I don't know why I wasn't expecting this from Apple. I guess expect nothing less from Apple, but nonetheless, just look, like it blows my mind that this is the price that it costs for what it's able to do. Another amazing part of this is, all your boring paperwork, yes, but you do get matching Apple sticker. Now, this is the silver model, so I only get the one basic silver. I'm a boring person, but if you do get a colored version, I guarantee you'll get the 2 colored matching stickers. Now, moving right along, like I mentioned, you do get the power brick, and because this is the upgraded model, this actually has Ethernet in the power brick. You can kind of see, I didn't show it there, but nonetheless, you get the upgraded power brick that has Ethernet in it, and the cable's braided. You get this cool MagSafe, but they don't want to call it MagSafe, but I don't know what they did. It's so nice that they're able to transfer power and data through this one cable. Like, I guess if you're Apple, you just get to make your own stuff. That's kind of the benefit of it. Now, moving on to the keyboard, again, color matching, but again, because this is the mid-tier model, even though it costs less than the base model, you're getting Touch ID, and I've never had Touch ID on a computer, so this is a little more exciting for me than maybe it should be, but I would normally wear my Apple Watch to unlock my MacBook. I don't have to do that anymore. I'm able to just, being able to use my finger to just unlock the MacBook, amazing. Keyboard feels great. I love it. You also get a matching, again, USB-C to Lightning braided cable. This is a really nice cable, good quality. It's going to live on my desk, so I'm not worried about those typical Apple cable, issues. But this is probably my favorite part of, the Apple ecosystem, I guess you could say, is the Magic Mouse. And I'm telling you, I use this computer for video editing. That's why my MacBook wasn't doing it for me from 2015, but being able to swipe left and right, up and down on the timeline and doing all that stuff. A lot of people get the trackpad and that, but Magic Mouse does it all. And the box very, very nicely just folds right back up, kind of push it together, and that's what it is. Another thing to note is the Apple logo on the back. It is made of plastic, but it doesn't light up or anything. I don't know why that would be a thing, but that is where all the Wi-Fi is housed, by the way. So, you know, just keep that in mind if that were to matter to you for whatever reason. Now we're gonna go ahead and show you a little more, just the simplicity of connecting this computer. Now it's literally ready out the box with just this. You just snap it in. It's, I'm telling you, that's it. It's amazing. I love it. Anyway guys, that's it for me today. I hope I was able to help you out, you know, give you an idea of what's going to come in the box, and I'd appreciate if you subscribe to the channel, drop a like if this did help you out. If there's some questions you may have, go ahead and let me know in the comments below. And you know, if you are subscribed, thank you for supporting me, and if you aren't subscribed, well, I really only have one thing to say to you, but I think it's best if I go ahead and let the Mac say it for me.